Hey guys, one of the most famous photographs in college football history, 1979 Sugar Bowl. This is our new VIP. Those of you that love your college football, you know exactly who this guy is. He's on air in there at the moment. We're at the studios. He's an analyst these days. Let's go meet him. Let's go see who he is. Let's go. All right, guys, the man himself, Mr. Barry Krauss.
Hey,
Barry,
Darren, how are you doing?
What a privilege. What a privilege.
Good to see you.
You too. I was just talking about this image. Defining day, of course, in your life and your career. Tell us about that moment.
It was January 1st, 1979. We were playing in the Sugar Bowl against the undefeated Penn State Nittany Lions, and it came down to 4th and an inch in the fourth quarter, and we were able to stop them and win Coach Bryant's 5th national championship.
At the time, did you have an inkling or did you have any idea of how famous that moment was going to be?
No, I had no idea. It just happens. You know, You're just out there trying to make something happen, and we were able to get it done.
So today, of course, we're talking about your hair. We've been talking about it for a couple of years now, but tell us what's going on.
Yeah, I've got some spots in here that need to be addressed. My dad went bald years and years ago, and I said, you know what, I'm going to get ahead of this, and I heard that you can help me.
We sure can. Guys, we're doing a multi-unit hair grafting procedure here in about 3 weeks. Looking forward to it. Follow his progress on his VIP page at wegrowhairindy.com. Barry, absolute privilege. Looking forward to helping you out.
I am too.